Hi guys, my name is Peter Eshiett and I am an affiliate marketer, and I'm here to give you a quick and candid review of the One Funnel Away Challenge. And you might wish to ask, what is the One Funnel Away Challenge? The One Funnel Away Challenge is a virtual summit whereby Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, takes you through a day by day lecture, tutorship, mentorship, so to speak, whereby you will be taught how to actually go ahead and build a profitable sales funnel. And now, as you see on the caption here, it says, how would you like us to hold your hands as you launch your first or next funnel? So, why is this important? And if you look at the caption here, it is important because the life you want, the marriage you want, the family that you want is going to be fueled by the business you build. That is why this very challenge is for aspiring entrepreneurs, small business owners, and also affiliate marketers. Now, let's listen to what Russell Brunson has to say here quickly.
Wait, what is the whole concept?
You can hear that. So basically, this challenge is to help you build that super converting sales funnel that will take your business to the next level. And what does the One Falling Away challenge mean? It means that for a period of 30 days, your hands will be held by experts in the field, and then you will be put through the process of having to actually build a sales funnel and starting a business in just 30 days. And I must tell you, this challenge is a must for every small business owner, entrepreneur, or affiliate marketer that is just starting, because this is what will grind and build your business and take your business to the next level. This very training has got lots of value, tons of value in it, and it is only for $100. Now, let me quickly show you the screen here. If you can see, these are all the things that are packed in this training, and this training is valued for $3,126. But the Russell Brunson has decided to only give it away for a token, just $100. And this $100 actually is not going to the company. Now, you might ask, who is this? Who is this? What am I going to learn in this process? So you're going to learn the strategy, the tactics, and the implementation that you need to take your business to the highest level. Now, this challenge, if you choose to take it, it will be only for 30 days. And in this 30 days, you're going to learn everything it takes to build a funnel, what it takes to get traffic, what it takes to actually launch this funnel. And then apart from this, there are a lot of bonuses that you're going to get. One of which is you're going to have a digital book that has tons of information. Another one is this. The second bonus you're going to have from this is that you'll be able to build a one pager, which will be the foundation in which you launch your actual funnel. And lastly, you will be able to know how to balance the knowledge, the accountability, and also to execute this such that you will be able to build a good, strong, viable business that can earn you lot and lot and lot of money. And now, in concluding, I want to say that I have personally gone through this challenge, and it has been the best $100 I have spent. And I will encourage you, if you are an aspiring business owner, if you are uh, an affiliate marketer, that you should join the challenge. If you look at the below, there will be links. Just click the link and join the challenge today, because your business needs this for the next phase.